Here's your Schlage Kia's entry deadbolt here. Pretty sure this is model BE365, if I remember calling it correctly. Now, they have been making these for years and years to come. I have no idea they still make these today, but it's been since forever at this point they've been making these. So, I'm going to show you the indoor part now. Here's the indoor part. As you can see, just simple bolt here. So that's really nothing special about this. Alright, so let's go ahead and test this real quick. So the way with this one is, this does not have a motor for the bolt to attract out or in. This is a manual cylinder type of unit here. The way this works is that if you press the Schlage button here, you have to twist the cylinder for it to attract the bolt out or attract it in. Just depends on what state the door is right now. So as of now, you see it's unlocked, so I can literally just press the Schlage button and attract the bolt out. So I'm gonna do this now. Twist that. As you can see there, that works. So we do it again. That's pretty much what you have to do with this. So I'll go ahead and lock it real quick. Press the Schlage button, twist that. You can see there. You press this to light up the keypad in blue, just in case if it's dark outside. So I'm gonna put the code in real quick. And twist that, and so forth. Let me do this again. Twist that. And I'll put the code in. And twist that, unlock it. There you go. Alright, so let's go ahead and test this even further now. So I'm outside the door here, which you can see. Door is currently unlocked at the moment, so can't do anything with this cylinder. You have to press the Schlage button to take control of that. So I'm gonna do that now. Twist that, and now the door is locked. So I'm gonna put this code in. Twist that, and the door is unlocked. So I'm gonna do this again. Press that, twist that, and then I'm gonna put the code in. And there you go. So that's pretty much about it for the video here. I'm gonna stay tuned to the next one.